A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2 p.m. for northern Christian and south central Hopkins counties. At 1:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Crofton, or 13 miles southeast of Dawson Springs, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour and gusts sending on all sides hail. This is
I'm watching this your old Toy Bash fight.
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Crofton and Hopkins. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Christian, and Hopkins. The severe thunderstorm warning for each.
How can I say no to that, huh? Brother.